Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Post Affiliate Pro performance history, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your Post Affiliate Pro performance history, begin by logging into your Post Affiliate Pro account. Navigate to the admin dashboard to access the main features. Look for the Reports section in the menu. Click on Reports to see various reporting options available. Select the type of report you wish to back up, such as performance or traffic reports. Choose the specific date range for the performance history you want to back up. Once you set the date range, click on the Generate Report button. Wait for the report to process. Once generated, you will see an option to export the report. Select the preferred file format for the export, such as CSV or Excel. Click on the Export button to download the report to your device. Verify that the report has been downloaded successfully. Repeat the process for any additional reports you wish to back up. For regular backups, consider scheduling exports on a consistent basis. Store your downloaded reports in a secure location on your device or cloud storage. This will ensure that your Post Affiliate Pro performance history is safely backed up and accessible. Review the stored reports periodically to maintain an organized backup system. With these steps, you can effortlessly safeguard your performance history data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.